Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are another topics coming. Last week I were finished my RHCA topics. Now RHCE topics were start here. This is my Silent Solution. Here you can see and visit my playlist. Here is the weekend playlist RHC A RHCA both our playlist you can see, and we have also many video here is Linux cloud DevOps related you can see and visit. And I think your many idea here is your exam preparation. You have this channel is the full exam preparation. This is my question solve, this is my question have coming, and this solution here you can see and visit. I think many idea here is. Let's go. First of all, where this is my RHCA playlist you can see and visit. First of all, we're today talking the Ansible. Ansible, what is Ansible? Ansible is a simple automation that ends priorities and freeze. It is the DevOps tools and automatically configuration our IT infrastructure. Ansible use the configuration management tool used to the store and current stress and our system and help the maintenance that is making sense deploy and the faster and removing the potential harmful and making the system management favorable. Ansible concept. Ansible is the control node, manage node, collection, inventory, task, modular, playbooks. This is a controller. What is a controller? That node here is clarification controller or master node is the manage the all node heads. Inventory all node information here is IP or host and name here is input inventory. Manage node is he control the all manage node is this is target node. This is target node. Here is Ansible is working the pushing working the control node. Ansible animation is a control node. I think is a Red Hat, Ubuntu, Windows. This the working has a different module. The manage node. The network has are the Ansible the manage node also the same with the call the host Ansible the collection is a very distribution formation formatted. Ansible connected that can include playbooks or roles and modules and plugins. Use the inventory and the manage node. The inventory follows the host file. The inventory can be specific like host name or IP. That is the command task. Was a single task, a single command is the task or ad hoc command like system reboot, system restart, system enable, modules. Modules is a different modules like user module, YAM module, apt module, Debian module, Cisco module. That has a lot of modules and Ansible. Playbooks here is a or the list of tasks. The same we can those tasks that are repeatedly playbook can include it to the variables was the task playbook were YML language where automated tool. Another automated Jenkins, Bamboo, Puppet, Terraform, Ansible, Git, etc. Why are use the Ansible? Because Ansible is a agent-less software. Agent-less that means is no need to any agent connected. Here is it is connected to via SSS. This is the Ansible SSS playbook inventory. Here inventory the all information together in all information to the inventory file. The playbook is the task, the scheduling task. You have where here is repeated working playbook, and the YML language is the playbook. This is Ansible. Is a controller node. He's as like is the controller node web server or one web server 2 DB server 1 DB server 2 where thanks for watching. We're coming the next Ansible 2-part, 3-part, and 4-part. We're preparing the RHCE this playlist. Thanks for watching.